Hello guys! Today we will learn colors name, uppercase letter, lowercase letter and counting numbers. So let's start. Say with me. Red, green, pink, orange, purple, brown, sky blue, parrot green, peach, blue, yellow, black. Write with me uppercase letter A and lowercase letter A. Uppercase letter B, lowercase letter B. C, lowercase letter C. Uppercase letter D, lowercase letter D. Write with me E and lowercase letter E. Write with me F, lowercase letter F. Write with me G and lowercase letter G. Write with me H and lowercase letter H. Write with me I, lowercase letter I. Write with me J, lowercase letter J. Write with me K, lowercase letter K. Write with me L, lowercase letter L. Write with me uppercase letter M and lowercase letter M. Write with me uppercase letter N and lowercase letter N. Write with me O, lowercase letter O. Write with me uppercase letter F and lowercase letter F. Write with me uppercase letter Q and lowercase letter Q. Write with me uppercase letter R and lowercase letter R. Write with me uppercase letter S and lowercase letter S. Write with me uppercase letter T and lowercase letter T. Write with me uppercase letter U and lowercase letter U. Write with me uppercase letter V. And lowercase letter V. Write with me. Uppercase letter W. And lowercase letter W. Write with me. Uppercase letter X and lowercase letter X. Write with me. Uppercase letter Y and lowercase letter Y. Write with me. Uppercase letter G and lowercase letter G. Now we will learn counting numbers. So let's go. Write with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 and 0, 10, 1 and 1, 11, 1 and 2, 12, 1 and 3, 13, 1 and 4, 14, 1 and 5, 15, 1 and 6, 16, 1 and 7, 17, 1 and 8, 18, 1 and 9, 19, 2 and 0, 20, 2 and 1, 21, 2 and 2, 22, 2 and 3, 23, 2 and 4, 24, 2 and 5, 25, 2 and 6, 26, 2 and 7, 27, 2 and 8, 28. Subscribe for more video.